Welcome to my page. Let's continue on our cycle geometry. Before us, we have question 1 and 2. Question 1 states a chord of length 24 is 13 centimeters from the center of the cycle. Calculate the radius of the cycle. We are still on Theorem 1, which will state that the distance from the center of a cycle to a chord bisect the chord into two equal halves at a right angle. And so let's go straight and solve this. We have our cycle. Okay. This is our cycle. This is center. And we draw a chord. A chord is a line that joins two sides of the cycle but does not pass through the center. And so we can label it as A, B, and the center as O. Okay. You can give it a letter of your choice. Let's follow the question. The chord of length 24. AB is what? 24. 24 centimeter. Okay. Is 13 centimeter from the center. That means the distance from the center is what? 13. 13 centimeter from the center. A chord AB, let's put it this way, of length 24 is 13 centimeter from the center. So you draw the center, the line from the center to meet the chord and divide it into two. So here is 13 centimeter, and this place divide AB into two equal halves. Don't forget it. So here will be 12 centimeter, and the other half will be 12 centimeter. Okay, so you can use any of the side. The radius is from center to the side of the cycle. The radius of the cycle is from the center to the side, to any side of the cycle. So you have your radius here. Okay, so that is what they say. They say calculate the radius of the cycle. Arrow, when you can bring this one out, you can bring it out as like this to form your right angle triangle. You can call the center P, A, and call here any letter, let's say C, C and O. You have your R, your 13 centimeter, and 12 centimeter. This place is at a right angle because it's perpendicular. Okay, so what we have, you now have your R square using Pythagoras theory. Using Pythagoras theory, Pythagoras theory, okay, which all of us know. We can remember that the sum of the square of adjacent and opposite is equal to the square of the hypotenuse. So we have your R square, which is the hypotenuse, is equal to 12 square plus what? 13 square. You can put the unit later, okay? So what we have here, we have R square is equal to the square of 12 is 12 times 12, which is 144, plus the square of 13 is 13 times 13. You have 169. So let's add the two together. We have 9 plus 4 is 13, carry 1. 4 plus 6, 10, plus 1, 11, carry 1. 1 plus 1, we have 2 plus 1 is 3. So our R now, our R equals to the square root of 313. The square root of 313, you can punch your calculator. You punch your calculator, square root of 313 gives 17 is equals to 17.6918 centimeters. But you can approximate it to two decimal places, which is 1, 2. You have your R is approximately 17.69 centimeters. You see, therefore, the radius The radius of the cycle is 17.69 centimeter. That solves the whole equation. Okay, so the question is simple. If you go over it again, you will understand. Don't make it hard. Also, let's solve this number 2. The number 2 states that two parallel chords lies opposite side of the center of the cycle. You read the sentence one after the other and interpret it. Let's draw our cycle. Okay, assuming this is the cycle. Two parallel chords lie opposite side. Let's say this is the center of the cycle. Okay, this is the center of the cycle. One can be here and one can be here. Don't mind my cycle, it's not perfect. Okay, of radius 13 centimeter. The radius of the cycle is what? 13 centimeter. Two parallel chords lie opposite side of the cycle of radius opposite side of the center of the cycle of radius 13 centimeter. Radius is what? 13 centimeter. You can take it from anywhere. This is radius from the center. This to this place is also what? 13 centimeter. Okay. So their lengths are what? 10 and 24. You can say this is 10 centimeter and this side is 24 centimeter. Okay. So what is their distance apart? The distance between here and here is what we are looking at. So let's look for it. But mind you, from here to here is the center of the cycle to the chord, which divide the chord into 2 equal half. And here will be 5 centimeter now. Okay, you can call here x. So from here to here, we'll divide 24 into 2, which will be 12 centimeter. I mean, not 12 centimeter. You can call it y. And you have 12 centimeter this side. Divide the chord into 2 equal half. Into 2 equal half. Okay. So we already have what we want. We want the distance between x and y. You add them together is what you need. You can call here A, B, C, D. Okay. This is the center of the cycle as O. You can call it, you can detach any of them and solve it first. Let's solve the upper one first, which is like this. Okay. Okay. It's a right angle. You can solve it. Here is 5 centimeter. Here is 13 centimeter. Here it becomes y. So what is it? This is called AB, the up one, CD. Let's solve it first. We now have, using the same rule, Pythagoras theory, you have your s square plus 13 square is equals to s square plus 5 square is 5, not 13. S square plus 5 square is equals to 13 square. Okay. The sum of the opposite and adjacent, the sum of the square of opposite and adjacent is equals to the square of the hypotenuse. Okay. So we have s square plus 5 square is 25 because 13 square is 169. Okay, so let's find our s square, which is equals to, take this number across and it changes to negative. S square equals 9 minus 5, we have 4. 2 minus 6, we have 4 and 1. So x is equals to the square root of 144. And the square root of 144 is 12 centimeter. That is x. Mind you, the distance apart is x plus y. The distance apart the two chords is what? X plus y. We have gotten x. Let's look for y. So our y, you can bring the angle out. Okay, this is 90. So we have 12 centimeter here and 13 centimeter here. This side will be your y. Okay, so let's solve it. We have y square plus 12 square is equals to 13 square. Are you following? So we have our y square plus 144 plus, that is the square of 12 is 12 times 12, 144. The square of 13 is 13 times 13, 169. Y square equals 169 minus 144. Okay? Y square is equals to, let's minus it, 9 minus 4, we have 5. 6 minus 4, we have 2. 1 minus 1, 0. So we look for our y, which is equals to the square root of 25, and we have 5 centimeter. So y is equals to what? 5 centimeter. But what we said is the distance between them is x plus y. Distance between the chord equals x plus y. You can see it here. The distance between the chord AB and CD is x plus y. And so let's add our value of x and y, which we have gotten. Our y is what? 12. X is 12. So which is 12 plus 5, all in centimeter. And so we have 17 centimeter as the distance apart. So I think it's simple, it's not difficult. For those of you in secondary school, SS1, SS2, SS3, you will find it useful. Look at it, play the video over and over, and you will understand it. See you in the next video. Bye for now.